Sending photos on an Android phone is simple once you know the steps, and Android devices make the process quick and convenient. If you want to share multiple pictures through WhatsApp like a pro, start by opening the Gallery app on your smartphone. Browse through your albums and locate the folder that contains the photos you would like to send. Next, tap and hold the first photo you want to share. After a moment, a check mark will appear, indicating that the image has been selected. You can then tap any additional photos you wish to include. This allows you to send several pictures at once instead of sharing them individually, saving both time and effort. Once you have selected all the images you want to send, tap the share icon, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. A list of compatible apps will appear. Choose WhatsApp from the available options. If you cannot find it immediately, tap More to view the complete list of sharing apps installed on your device. After selecting WhatsApp, choose the contact, multiple contacts, or group chat you want to send the photos to. Review your selection, and if everything looks correct, tap the green send button to complete the process. Within seconds, your chosen photos will be delivered to the recipients. It's an easy method that anyone can master, whether you're sharing vacation memories, family moments, or important images with friends and colleagues. By following these steps, you can confidently send photos on Android like a true professional in 2026.